Assalamu alaikum class 6. Hope you are all fine. It's unit number 2, Introduction to Windows. In the last lecture we have covered the getting familiar with Windows. A window is a rectangular portion of the display on a computer monitor screen that present contents, text file or image. And also we have learned about the main parts of standard window, which are title bar, menu bar, toolbar, scroll bar, maximize and minimize button, close button. Today we will cover the title bar, scroll bar and toolbar topic. In the next lecture we will cover the menu bar. Title bar. A title bar usually displays the title of the program in which a user is working. In Windows 7, the title bar of a folder's window is left empty blank as it displays the folder's name inside the address bar's edit box. Windows 7 does not use the title bar to display a folder name. The folder name document is displayed in the folder's address bar edit box. Now we will do it practically. Here you can see a standard window, and it is the address bar edit box, and this is the empty title bar. And if I open any program like documents, now you can see the folder's name documents is displayed on the folder's address bar edit box. Libraries and documents is displayed on the folder's address bar edit box. If a user is using Internet Explorer, its Windows title bar will be displaying current web page name, address of web page on title bar. We will see it practically. As you see, I am using Internet Explorer. Its Windows title bar is displaying current web page name, and that is google.com. If a user is using a program such as Microsoft Word 2010, its Windows title bar will be displaying the current document name, Word document. We will see it practically on the Word document software. Here is the Word document, and I am using a program and its name is document, and you can see on the title bar. Now class 6, open page number 51, toolbar. In Windows 7, a toolbar is a row, column or block of buttons or icon representing tasks a user can do within a program. The toolbar, also called bar or standard toolbar, is a row of boxes often at the top of an application window that control various functions of the software. Some toolbars can appear on the taskbar. Add a toolbar on taskbar. We can add toolbars to the taskbar by the following methods. Number 1 is right click on empty area on the toolbar and then point to toolbars. Number 2, click any item in the list to add or remove it. The toolbar names with check marks besides them are already on the taskbar. We will do it practically. Here is the desktop screen, and it is the taskbar. Now right click on empty area. Here you can see the toolbars. You can see the list of address, links, tablets, PC, input panel, desktop. I am selecting the address. As you can see, here you can type any website address, like I am going to write www.google.com and press enter. Here is the window will be open. So you can click any items in the list to add or remove on it. Now come to the next page. It's 52. Scroll bar, a vertical bar on the right side of a window or a horizontal bar at the bottom of the window that is used to move the window contents up and down, left and right is called scroll bar. When the information is so lengthy that it cannot be fit in a window, then a scroll bars appears automatically. The hidden information can be displayed by moving the scroll bars of the window. Each scroll bar has two arrows at its end. The arrows are clicked to move one line at a time. As you can see the example of Windows scroll bars. Now we will see it practically. Here you can see the desktop screen. I have opened the Word document software. Here you can see click to move up. This is the arrow. Click to move up. This is the scroll bar. And it is vertical scroll bar. Here is the arrow to move down. Here is the arrow to move left. Horizontal scroll bar. And it's the scroll arrow. Click to move. It's the horizontal. And it's the vertical scroll bar. Now we are going to cover the question number 11. Exercise A, question number 11. What is the difference between toolbar and scroll bar? Toolbar, its answer is on page number 51. In Windows 7, a toolbar is a row, column or block of buttons or icons representing tasks a user can do within a program. Next point is scroll bar, and its answer is on page number 52. A vertical bar on the right side of a window or a horizontal bar at the bottom of a window that is used to move the window contents up and down, left and right is called scroll bar. You have to learn this question. Exercise A, question number 11. And take care of yourself, class. Allah Hafiz.